Yes, hello, welcome again. Today we want to do a video for work. Uh, so first, maybe you have to know the Kenyan sign language of work you are doing. So first, I'm going to start with signing career. So career, this is an open palm and this is C. So you use letter C on the open palm to sign career, 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 like this, career. Profession, this is letter P. You use letter P to sign profession, profession. Again, profession, profession. The next one is profit. Profit is from the pocket. Profit, profit, profit is same as benefit. Benefit, profit. So the next one is doctor. Doctor, letter D on the shoulder, doctor, or letter D on the wrist, doctor, doctor. We have nurse, nurse, C, nurse, nurse. The next one is opportunity. Opportunity. You use W. When you check at the alphabetical letters, this is W. So opportunity. Opportunity is the same as way. Way. Opportunity. So we have business. Business is business. Letter B, letter B. It interchanges. Business. Business. Or you can also use letter E. They also can interchange. Business or exchange. We have employ is letter E brought to the open palm. Employ, employ, or employer. Now you personify. Employer, employment. So we have dentist. You use letter D in the teeth. Dentist. Letter D, dentist. So we have bank. Bank. Two letter B. Bank. We have expert. Expert. Expert is the same as skill. Skill. Expert. So we have schedule. 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 Same as program. You use letter P on the open palm. So program. We have shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. Shop. This is shop. The index finger points to the cheek. Shopkeeper. Or you can personify. It's shopkeeper. Shopkeeper because it's a person. We have lecturer. Lecturer and teacher. Lecturer. Teacher. Teach. These ones are the same. We have farmer is farmer. Farmer. If you do like this one is farm alone. But if you personify, it becomes a career. Now, farmer. We have fisherman is fisherman. You draw the fish from the lake, you use the hooks. So like the way the fisherman draws either the nets or rather the hooks they use. So fisherman, fisherman. We have driver, drive, driver. So a motorist you can use when the way they accelerate. So a motorist, motorist, motor. That is so. We have workshop is work shop, work shop. This is work. Then this is shop, shop. So we have loss. When you incur loss in a business or other loss in anything, it is money fall, loss. First you sign money and then fall. This one on the open palm, loss. Or profit, nothing. That is another sign for loss. You sign profit, nothing. That also means loss. Then another one, we have engineer. Engineer, we sign 2Y and then engineer. 2Y, engineer. And then designer, open palm with the letter D. Designer, designer, designer. Personify. Yeah. So you sign designer, designer. We have business person or rather businessman. We just sign businessman, businessman. So we have interpreter of any language or rather. So interpreter is interpreter, interpreter, interpreter. So this is to interpret, but if it is now a career, you personify. So interpreter, interpreter. So we have a translator. We use T. This is alphabetical T and another T. Then it is interpreter because it changes. Interpreter, interpreter. Oh, sorry for that. And then translator, we use T, two letter T's. Translator. Again, translator. We have lawyer. Lawyer. So for lawyer, you say lawyer. So it is L on the palm, and then this is now law, law. But now when you personify, changes to be a career. Now lawyer, lawyer. So we have a writer or a journalist. So it's a writer, same as a journalist. We have manager. For manager, you use 2M, manager, manager, because they control, manager. But the sign for control is this T, it controls. But manager, we use M, 2M. Remember the thumb in between these two fingers. So it's M and another M, manager. So we have mechanic. Mechanic is like this, but a mechanical is like this. So we have a pharmacist. Pharmacist, open palm with a special finger, pharmacist. Pharmacist, but pharmacy. So pharmacy, and then pharmacist, pharmacist. And then photographer is photographer, photographer. This is photography, or rather photograph. But when it's now a career, it's a photographer. So we have a pilot, pilot. This is aeroplane. So for pilot, it's pilot. And then we have a programmer. P, the open palm, programmer, program. Anyway, thank you for watching the short video. So this video is basically, I made it to help you know maybe what work you are doing in sign language, because you might find a dev somewhere and you guys might talk, but you may forget when you want to introduce yourself and maybe say you are an engineer. So for example, when you are an engineer, you just say me engineer. Remember, you used to engineer. So me engineer. Just simple. When you are a teacher, you just say me teacher. Me teacher. Just that simple. And then when you're a doctor, you just say me doctor. Thank you again for watching.